guys, it's Mika here. So today I'm going to show you how to make aroma tea. You know, in Arabic people they karate. Yeah, it's how they call. But the other place, international, you know, they call tea regular tea. It's tea, but it's aroma tea because we have a lot of something to put in that tea. So it's aroma. It's going to be delicious. So you know, guys, this is in the summer, but this is winter time. So we need tea, right? You can drink regular tea, but you can drink this aroma tea. It tastes good, delicious. Okay, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you all ingredients. Okay, here we have milk. You can see here, and here we have tea bag. You know, you can use the green tea, black tea, but use the plain tea, which you can have. It can have any like maybe tasty, like some people they they love like lavender, whatever, but use plain tea like this one, or black tea or green tea, whatever. Okay, so here we have sugar. So we're going in this seasoning. Okay, this is so delicious in the tea. So here we have saffron. You can see here is little bit ready, and here we have ginger, all are fresh, and cinnamon, and cloves, and here cardamom. So all these 5 is going to make it tea delicious. And here we have, I'm going to switch on medium high you all, but I'm going to mix first. I'm going to mix this milk and the water. I'm going to mix milk and the water, show you when it start to boil, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. This are all ingredients. Okay, but without forgetting, I want to tell you, if you want to go buy this kind of ingredients, you can go in like Indian shop or Indian shop or international shop, or just go ask them there. You can find it. Okay, so I'm going to wait to boil it. Put it medium high. Show you. Okay, now you can see it is bubbling. You know, so I'm going to add the ingredients. Just take a little bit, not too much, because it's not too much, and just one of this. And I already cut the, you know, you can cut this or you can just smash them. Cut them, you see, a little bit. And also I cut the ginger. Okay, and I'm going to put it just a little bit, not too much. Saffron. Oh, is it not too much? Okay. Okay. It's bubbling, you know. I'm going to mix it, or to stir. Let them to boil like 2 minutes to give this aroma, you know. I put it here. I'm going to show you how to add the last, how to add the tea bag. And tea bag and sugar is separate. You can put here, but it can be good too, but because it's tea bag, it's good to put it in the cup here. And also you can measure, it's good to measure side the sugar, but in our tradition it's perfect and delicious when you put sugar inside here. Yeah, it's going to be delicious more. Yeah, but in healthy too, you need to reduce. Yeah, you can do, but you can do any kind of way. If you want to put sugar here, or bag green tea here, or tea bag here, it's okay. If you want to put side, it's okay. All are fine. The things important is all ingredients to go together. Okay, it's going to, I think now it's ready. Is 2 minutes, but if you want 5 minutes, it's good too. Whatever you boil more is more delicious. The aroma is become more delicious, and also it smells good here. It's good, and it also tastes good. It smells fantastic. I wish you can be here. I already put 1.5 teaspoons, and I'm going to filter. I don't know how to say, but I'm going to filter it. You have to have this. Oh, you can use without that, but it's good to filter too. Make sure you don't have this ingredients when you drink it. Okay, you have to filter it. You see it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and leave comment. Okay, I'm going to drink my tea. Yeah, I just from outside. It's cold here. I can't wait to drink this tea. It's so delicious, smell good. Okay, bye. I'll see you next time. Bye.